Hello students, I am Banashankari, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, CS Pura. In this video, I am going to explain Scene 1 of drama Tughlaq. The opening scene has a significance because in this scene we see all the important things that are going to happen in the further scenes. There is a lot of information here. The scene starts in front of the court and Qazi-e-Mamulik reads out the judgment. There were people gathered, and among those people we can find in the later stage there is a pickpocket and he is Azam. Tughlaq himself is present in this scene and he delivers a speech and declares his further future plans. The time period is 1327, 2 years after Tughlaq came to power. A group of predominantly Muslim citizens along with Hindu citizens, they gather here. They talk on the political conditions of Delhi Sultanate. They discuss Sultan's various plans and policies and his excessive generosity to Hindus. The elderly people, they think the country is in danger, but the younger people, they think the country is in safe hands. His first move of amendment is to shift the capital of Sultanate from Delhi to Daulatabad. As the scene opens, we see Qazi-e-Mamulik reads out a judgment passed by the king that a person called Vishnu Prasad, who had filed a suit against the king, has been treated with humanity, and he was given compensation of 500 silver dinars and a post to work in the palace. In fact, it was not Vishnu Prasad who had filed a suit against the king. It was Aziz, in the guise of Aziz, a Muslim, in the guise of Vishnu Prasad, he had filed a suit against the king. But Tughlaq, in his speech, he addresses how the Hindus are treated in his kingdom. But unfortunately, it was a Muslim who was benefited in this event. Since Tughlaq addresses the people and he says he has planned to move to Daulatabad because this Daulatabad has a majority of Hindu population. So he wanted perfect harmony between Hindus and Muslims. He wants to acquire their favor, and it is a political strategy. But this move is not liked by all. The Amirs, they criticize the king. This move is criticized by Muslim subjects and his opponents. They oppose his idealism, and his idealism gets to acquire a great condemnation from the Amirs, and they plan to murder the king. Aziz, a highway robber, appears disguised as a Brahmin named Vishnu Prasad. He wins the case against the Sultan himself, and this is a parody of Sultan's declaration. In scene 1, Aziz also wins the game that Sultan had started in the fit of ambitiousness. See, the character of Aziz goes in parallel to the king. So, whatever the king takes action, and Aziz is a true follower of that. Aziz and his close associate Azam are then making money by deceiving the people on their way to Dawlatabad. In the first scene, we see these two friends, they meet. Azam identifies Aziz, though he was in a Brahmin attire and he was disguised as Vishnu Prasad. The Orthodox Muslims citizens, they are annoyed by Tughlaq's movement and his idealism, humanism, and departure from the practice of the religious tenets in administrative matters. There is a old man in the crowd, the old man who represents the orthodox segment of Muslim society. He introduces a note of dramatic conflict with his words, God, what the country is coming to. The young man supports Tughlaq and says that country is in perfectly safe hands. So it is evident that this is a conflict between the old and the new. The drama opening scene, it takes us to uh, identify the three important aspects, that is, one is treachery by Aziz, other one is uh, Tughlaq's idealistic attitude, but though it is not accepted by the people, he is eager to implement his political ideas. In this scene, both Aziz and Azam, they meet and they plan to make money by exploiting the people, and we can observe how polite the king is while implementing his laws. But the same king, he makes an order, he issues an order to shift his capital and make everyone to move to Dawlatabad. In the first scene, he requests people, those who are willing to come with him, they can move to Dawlatabad. But when there was an attempt to murder Tughlaq, uh, he got annoyed and he suddenly orders everyone, not even a single soul, should remain in Delhi. He orders everyone to move to Delhi. Yeah, sorry,